sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.
Hey yo, what's good family? Welcome back to Astro Nori for another video. Today we're actually going to be doing a live cop for the Box logo week. I don't even know if this is a live cop per se, but I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all exactly what happened this morning. If you're doing up enjoying this video, man, go ahead and slap a fat like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you are new or would enjoy more of this type of content. Click the post notification bell so you're notified each and every time I post a new video. Also, do not forget to click the Gleam link at the top of the description if you do want to enter in my Supreme giveaway that's currently going on for the cards and for the Nueva York. All you have to do is subscribe to my channel, follow Supreme Ricks on Instagram, and slap a fat like on this video. You're good to go. But without any further ado, let's go ahead and get straight into this video. So boom, the shit actually drops. It took a little minute, but I went straight for the black colorway. I put it in the XL, got that shit in the cart ASAP, and I feel like this is actually one of the fastest times I checked out, bro. I copy pasted my card, lightning autofill had everything else ready for me. I clicked the accept, and bro, I'm already processing my payment. I was literally in instantly, bro. I didn't spend no time, waste no time. I'm straight to it, bro, and I'm processing my payment right here. Shit took mad long, a minute or two, and as you can see, I cooked up on the Box logo, manual, sticky fingers out here, just cooked up easy, bro. Shit had me nervous, I'm not gonna lie, but I go ahead and open a couple teas on a new tab, and low-key, this was giving me more problems. This is when I feel like everybody started getting through on Box logos and shit like that, so it was lagging immensely, bro. It wasn't even letting me add shit to my cart. I'm trying to go for this sun tea in the XL, try to add it to my cart, shit didn't work. Try to add the toothpaste to my cart, shit didn't work, and that Ghostface Killer tea as well. Then after a little bit, it started adding. I got the toothpaste in, I got the clientele tea in, and then I go ahead and go for the sun tea, and I feel like it did add after a little bit. It was still giving me problems for that one, but after a little while, it officially gave in. You will see in a little bit that I had to keep trying, bro. Like, you cannot give up, and pretty much that's what I did, bro. I got this shit in my cart and I checked out. Right here, I'm filling out all my information. I'm waiting for the shit to process, and it does take a minute. Once again, Supreme used to be way quicker. I go ahead and check if the Box logos are sold out at this point because my girl was trying to go for it, and they're still there, so there was some hope. But I go ahead and open the Smurfs tea in incognito, add that shit to my cart. I check the beanies, shit are gone, bro. Wide rib beanies, I totally forgot about. And then I add this bright coral scratch tea. I don't even know if I'm gonna keep this one. This might be a giveaway piece, who knows, to be honest. But I go ahead, fill out all my information, and this one I actually have to go full manual because none of it is saved since I am going incognito. For future videos or future live cops, I am gonna add the little lightning bolt. I did cook up once again, bro. I got both teas. So basically, I got the Smurfs tea, the bright coral scratch tea. I got the Box logo, the sun tea. There's another tea that I'm missing, which was actually hard. Which one was it? I think I got like 4 or 5 teas. Then I got the toothpaste, and I got the clientele tea. I feel like this week was a cook. The only item that I honestly wish I would have got was that Futura logo crew neck, bro. I missed out on that.
Your girl got it.
Hopefully she does post a live cop so you guys can see that process. That shit was more tedious than mine, I'm not even gonna lie. But honestly, I was screen recording for like 20 minutes and I cropped it down to 3. So if you guys see that there's no lag and no delays and shit, don't get it twisted, bro. The site was dookie. Like, after I bought the Box logo, shit just shut down. Like, it was way worse. But I feel like if you get in on the items right away, you do have a chance at getting it manual, bro. I'm super stoked that I was actually able to get it in the black color because I feel like that will incline me to keep it a little bit more. Low-key, I'm the type of person that wears black all the time or half the time. The fact that I got this in black, I might keep it. I still don't know what's gonna happen with that, but if y'all did enjoy, bro, slap a fat like on this video down below. It definitely would mean a lot. Subscribe to the channel if you are new or would enjoy more of this type of content, and hey, you might as well subscribe because if you click the Gleam link at the top of the description, you have a chance to win Supreme cards and a Supreme tea. All you have to do is subscribe to the channel. We're this close to 17K. Come on, bro. We need 20 more subs for 17,000. I know you guys can do it, and besides, you can go ahead and win a Supreme item. Go ahead and follow Supreme Ricks on Instagram as well. And I guess that pretty much does it for this video. If y'all enjoyed, you know what to do. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.